Hi, my name is Steve Dutra, and this is episode 7 of the Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge. Today we will be reassembling our 911 Targa, mostly putting on the upper and lower engine valve covers. 574 is a sealant used specifically for Porsches. Works with an absence of air, creating its own seal, and it's just something generally used for classic engines. You have to take pride in your work and delicacy over certain areas and attention to detail. Yeah, that's definitely something you don't learn overnight. I've learned from someone with 30 plus years in the field, and watching him do it is like watching an artist paint a canvas. You gotta go slow, pay a lot of attention, because someone will notice something that's not right away before they notice something that is right. Be calm, go over it, and do your best the first time.